I'm in my new building right now. This is my new place, 7K. So it's like an open air style. They have the garbage pails over here. Oh, apparently you could park your bike in here. You just open it up like that. So I didn't know that you could do that. There's a laundromat right there actually, and there's like a sorry store, and there's a like a little restaurant. This also has 3 floors. And on the 3rd floor, it's very open air style. So when it rains, the water comes down there, and I guess it has to drain out. Not sure how that's gonna work out. But I heard these types of places, the open air places, when it rains and it attracts bugs or something. I'm not sure. Here's the. So I'm over here, so no one actually walks by my room, which is nice. I kind of lucked out on that. There's the window that allows airflow through here, and it's better if you keep that window and this window open so it doesn't create like an airlock. So that's a little odd reason. We have a screen door right here, so if you put a fan like right by the door, it can allow the breeze from the window to flow through a little bit stronger, and one fan will probably cool down this whole room. It's a very small room. Like I said, it's 7K, free Wi-Fi, 21K deposit, foam mattress. I actually scrubbed that down. Comes with mattress cover. No bars on the windows, so anyone could just kind of come in through the window, but it seems pretty quiet and safe. It's like a very quiet place. But before I would go out, I would probably lock that window. That's kind of a bad thing. The door, the gate, the metal gate that I came through is kind of creaky. So if you open that, it'll make like kind of like a loud creaking noise, and that's bad, especially for people on like the bottom floor next to the door, and they can kind of hear you like coming in. But it's quiet. I kind of lucked out. It being like a quiet building. Also. There's a water pressure. It's not the best in the world. The room does have sort of like an ant problem. I just cleaned it yesterday, so I don't know where these ants came from, but apparently they died maybe because I wash the floor or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, I don't know about cooking in here. How good it's gonna be. Here's the water pressure over here, and the water pressure not bad over here. Shower pressure, not bad. Pretty small shower. It's kind of like the floor is kind of like an angle, so like the water drains down. It kind of gets all over when like you take a shower. No shower curtains because this they made it kind of Filipino style. What else? Also, another point is this room wouldn't be as good as it if it didn't have Wi-Fi. The point that it's only 7K and has Wi-Fi is pretty good, but there's actually like a new building, brand new, that's semi-furnished and comes with Wi-Fi and is also 7K. So this building is 3 years old. What else? Basically, yeah, basically it wouldn't be worth it. It wouldn't be worth it. If this room didn't have Wi-Fi in it already. Pretty much if I were to do it all over again, I might have taken like a room with a balcony, because that's kind of important. So yeah, this room doesn't have a balcony. I would say if I were to do it again, I would say, and I was staying, if I were to stay long term, then probably a unfurnished room with a balcony would probably be the best bet. And if it's like a older building, then I would want it to be like brick. So there's less chance of mold, and if it's a newer building, then it's new, of course, then it doesn't matter. But yeah, unfurnished with a balcony, unfurnished because they're probably going to charge you, like upcharge you a lot, just for it being like a little bit furnished. So you're better off getting your own furniture, and it's not that expensive for furniture. You'll save a lot of money. Just getting your own furniture instead of paying like, they're gonna charge you like at least 3 or 4K, maybe even more per month, just for the fact that it's furnished. Meanwhile, you can get all your furniture probably for you just need a mattress, a fan, and a fridge, and that's pretty much all you need. Maybe and you could just hang your clothes on the balcony. And see, I don't have a balcony, so I have to only have this one little spot to hang stuff. That's pretty much taken right there, so I can't hang it over there. So yeah, I would need I would need something to like hang my clothes in this room. I had to get a fan. This room doesn't have a fridge, so yeah. And if you want to get it furnished, like I know one with a balcony that's furnished, but it has no Wi-Fi. It's like 10K. That's in like the beginning of my Mango video. So if you want to check out like a room like that, you can go check it out. But that was nice too. I probably would have went with that one. But the thing is, But the thing is with that is that it also had no Wi-Fi, so I would have to put the Wi-Fi in as well. So it would come out to a total of like 11.5. It's 1.5K to put in the Wi-Fi. Yeah, so that would have been about $80 more. But that room is nice. Looking back on it, it would have been nice to have like the balcony to dry my clothes, open it up, let sunlight in. It was a brick building, but it was older, like 10 years old. So, but it wasn't. Uh, and the thing about that place is that it used to be 7K like 10 years ago, unfurnished. Now it's 10K furnished. So you're paying 4,000 more than 10 years ago in a place like that. So yeah. But overall, decent room, and I kind of lucked out with it being at the end, so it's kind of private. But I would say if it was one of these rooms downstairs where people walk by, it wouldn't be as good, I would say.